The video shows a roll forming machine that can produce trapezoidal tiles and has punching and bending forming. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. Customize various sizes according to your needs. This is the process of punching and bending, and the machine is set up through PLC operation. This machine works extremely efficiently. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.